Health, a very important issue, especially for children, and schools in our state are seeing an increase in kids who need those services.
As Channel 3's chief political reporter Susan Raff tells us, today legislation to help families afford those services passed its first hurdle.
Helping kids struggling with mental health issues.
We have seen it even prior to the pandemic. We were observing an uptick in mental health needs of our students.
Kimberly Brown says Glastonbury Public Schools have added more mental health staff and that the school's mental health programs are bringing in hundreds of children a day at all their schools. Lawmakers on the Public Health Committee have passed legislation to help families by requiring Medicaid to cover annual screenings.
Currently, in order to have the screening covered, they need to offer an additional service. And so this would be a standalone that you can be reimbursed for doing the screening alone.
According to the Department of Public Health, there were more than 51,000 mental health visits at school-based health centers in 2020. Some schools have school-based health centers. Other schools have social workers. Under this legislation, both would require Medicaid reimbursement. Democrats and Republicans have made children's mental health a priority. How will this legislation help kids in the school system?
Hopefully feel more comfortable that they'll be going within the school system, within their own building, and be able to meet with somebody that they can have their confidence in, and not going to the school nurse where they're going to be outsourced to a doctor.
The Public Health Committee also took up and passed another bill today. This is on telehealth, which allows people to access doctors online. They want to make sure that doctors from out of state are certified. Both bills will now go to the full House for a vote. In Hartford, Susan Raff, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.